Yesterday we drove to Lake Nakuru, mostly just drove here during the day, but now we're here in Lake Nakuru. We're gonna go check it out this morning and then we're gonna head to Amboseli this afternoon.
Getting our free African massage today.
There's a lion.
Oh gosh, they're walking.
It's walking. We keep moving.
We're following.
We think he's gonna walk up right beside us. We'll see.
Oh shoot. Oh no. He's right there. Oh my gosh. They just don't even care about us. The baboons are making a call that are warning the others because the lions are walking by.
Good start with a couple lions. Let's see what else we can find.
It was so wild I could reach out and touch the lion. Obviously you don't want to do that.
We have hippos, flamingos, pelicans, other birds I don't know the names of, but they're like all right on this beautiful lake.
Lions again.
Lions are
There's
coming.
more lions? Or the same lions?
Are they coming down?
There's more.
They're gonna walk right by us. I was so scared. That one that was in the front, walking by, it was like a foot from it. It just made the noise. And, oh man, my guts were. Oh, I was so scared. My heart was beating so fast.
It's so cool. We haven't seen that big of a group of lions yet, especially just walking right beside us.
Yep. Epic.
Rhinos. There's a baby. It's sleeping, and I'm hoping it'll get up.
Ben, our guy, just asked us, have you seen a group of 10 rhinos before? No, I can't say I have. But hey, we're about to knock that off the bucket list.
road up there hauling.
Just a zebra scratching itself on a rock. There's more giraffes. These are the different giraffes. These are the same kind that were at the giraffe center that we saw a couple weeks ago. I believe we are done with Lake Nakuru. I think we're stopping at the bathroom and then heading to Amboseli. But this was not what I was expecting, I don't think, from Lake Nakuru.
Got a lot more action than I thought. My heart was definitely racing.
Yeah, I was expecting like some birds, some zebras. I'd read that there was rhinos, but the rhinos were out, the lions were out. I had no idea there was actually even lions in this park.
Baboons were a little black.
Yeah, so I thought this was gonna be like the least exciting park, to be honest, and it was pretty exciting.
I think
we'll see.
Might merge this with Amboseli.
Yes, Amboseli.
Amboseli. We're gonna merge that.
We'll see how much footage we get of both,
Now,
I guess.
a 7-hour drive.
Yeah, worst drive day.
It's gonna suck. Less than halfway there. Drop some people off in Nairobi. And we got stuck.
Yes, we're currently stuck in Oklahoma, the side of the road.
Oh, and they're out. You got it.
And hopefully we stop.
Onwards for the next 4 hours. After some confusion last night, we got in later than we expected. But now we're up kind of early. Not really.
This is like we gotta sleep in. It's like 8 a.m. departure, but we're supposed to stay at this camp for 2 nights. Now we're gonna switch camps, so we had to repack up. But we're going to see Amboseli Park today.
Let's go. Early African back massage.
It's more of a neck massage. There's an elephant in the road.
So, after watching all these animals, you'd think you'd get tired of seeing the same ones over and over again and just watching them. But for me, I don't think that's the case because I could just sit there and watch them all day, every day.
This was the debate, was if a 12-day safari was going to be too long, and that's still to be decided. But so far, I'm still pretty impressed with all the animals we see.
Yep.
So, we'll return to that question after our 12 days. We're positioning ourselves for the elephants to cross the road, and if they cross where we hope, Kilimanjaro's going to be in the background. It's slightly hazy right now, but you can still see it. There's like 20, if they're a herd, I don't know if it's an elephant herd, but there's like 20 elephants coming with babies and they're about to cross the road. Something?
No, that's gotta be more. Now we're going to the swamp.
Is that what we're doing?
I think so. I think we're going to the swamp.
Aaron's making this up. We stopped at this lodge for a bathroom break, and the lodge itself is absolutely beautiful. It's like right in the middle of the park, so obviously we're not staying here. But like there's game right outside, there's this beautiful pool, this beautiful bar. It makes me wish we were staying here, but I think we're gonna go explore the abandoned lodge that was abandoned after a flood after this, so I'm pretty excited. Let's do it. The wildebeest are just joining the flamingos and crossing the super shallow water. And they're just hanging out.
Serene. You can just sit here and watch this all day. I know it makes for maybe some boring content, but
in real life it's cool. I promise.
In real life, it's cool. Yeah. Stopped for lunch, hiked up the, I don't know, what was it called?
Observation hill.
Observation hill to observe around. It's got a great view, especially for a stop here at lunch. And my eyes are hurting because I didn't bring my sunglasses.
I'm starving, so let's find what was in our lunch today.
Okay. On the road again.
She's gonna go. Yeah. There you go. They're lying down.
They're doing it. you for the trade. It's
Look at the baby. The baby's growing.
Well, this is obviously going to be used.
Do we already have too much elephant footage? Yes.
I don't know, Herman. Unless something crazy happens again, which it might, I might have to call this video.
You're saying it's going to be hard to sift through your 2 hours of elephant footage?
Uh-huh. Yup.
Okay, we just got to our camp that we had to switch from after the full day in Amboseli. And again, it exceeds all my expectations.
I think we got a free upgrade.
Yeah, I think this might be an upgrade. I'm not really sure. We had to walk a ways from the regular camp, but this is not even a tent. This is like a full little, what I feel like is a villa. An African villa. But we have a choice of 3 beds. And it's like, it's not even a tent wall. It's just like a regular wall. But like with tent-like windows, so it makes it seem like you're kind of in a tent. And then we have quite a large, luxurious bathroom. Full tile floor. And a very large shower with hot water. And a toilet.
A big bed. With actual towel.
Yeah, with actual tile. I don't know what I was gonna say, but this is really nice. And he said that sometimes like elephants and giraffes and everything will just be like right outside. So fingers crossed.
All that aside, it was an awesome time over at the lake as well. That was like the rhino's kingdom. And then here is the elephant's kingdom. So enjoy lots of rhinos and elephants in this video.
Yeah, I think all of the parks are just a little bit different. Like I can't pick which one was my favorite.
Yeah,
because they all have really cool parts of them.
So
you just have to
different.
visit all of them.
Yeah, so different. But now, from here, we're going to be going to Tanzania for the next leg of the safari.
Yeah, tomorrow is really just traveling there. But then the next day we'll pick up with full-on safari.
Maybe some lions climbing in trees.